Shade Vlog.
Hey guys, me Shay. Today is Saturday, so hi bitches. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm kind of like not in a good mood, and that's what this vlog topic is gonna be about. I really don't put this kind of information out because I kind of think that it's personal, but like it's not too personal to where I can't put it out on the internet. Like the reason I'm putting this out is because I want to know like how many of you people go through this, like especially you homosexual people go through this, cause like I don't know. But anyways, first off, shout out to my motherfucking water, bitch. It is Simple Truth vapor distilled water, and it has electrolytes in it to provide taste, and this shit is so good, y'all. Like, oh my god, you can find this at Kroger. This is where I got it from, was at Kroger, and it was like for $1.99 I think with the Kroger card, but it's like almost $4 without the Kroger card or whatever. So you know my motherfucking ass is using that Kroger card, bitch. Yes, yeah, and it is a 33.8 fluid ounce bottle. So like, yes, bitch, this shit has 0 calories, 0 total fat, sodium, 0 carbohydrates. It has nothing in it, so this is the best water that I could find. This shit is so good. It's better than Smart Water, y'all. But anyways, that's not what the topic is about. The topic is about I'm kind of pissed off, and the reason that I'm pissed off is because me and my boyfriend had got into it. But okay, so we got into it because at one point he was staying with me, and that's when I was staying with my parents, but we kind of like separate. We didn't separate, we're still together or whatever. Like I have my own shit and he has his own shit. So like my thing is, I don't understand why you get so mad that when I have people over my house, that when you just randomly show up without calling me and letting me know that you're coming over, like you just show up. That's why I don't give nobody a key to my house. Not even my parents have a key to my house. I have like 3 spare keys because like, I mean, I don't trust anybody, and you know, it's gotten to the point where you can barely even trust family members. So like, I don't trust anybody, and I don't let him in my house without me not being here. I don't let anybody in my house, matter of fact, not even my parents. This nigga to think that he can come over here and just like, oh my god, like he really thinks that I got something going on. Like, okay, I'm not even gonna lie, like I don't have anything going on. Like I do be talking to some dudes, but like it's not like me and him are married, so I feel like I can do that. Now I feel like when you're married you can't do that because like you have already signed your life over to that person, and supposedly marriage means that you're gonna be with that person forever. But like I know I'm not gonna be with him forever, so we're not married. So I feel like I should be able to at least talk to other dudes and flirt with other dudes. But as far as talking to them, like me being in a relationship with them, no. So he gets mad because he sees dudes that when I bring dudes to my house from like the club or whatever, okay, it's like my best friend or something. It's not like just any random ass nigga that I just found at the club so I can get a quick piece of ass or whatever, or a quick piece of dick, whatever, and just, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm over it. Like, I am so fucking over it. Like, he gets so mad over the most stupidest shit, y'all. And, like, I'm just over it. Thing is, do y'all have shit like that? Like, your boyfriend or girlfriend, whatever you date, like, do they get mad when they supposedly show up at your house without even you knowing it? And then they, like, start getting mad when they see people at your house. Like, bitch, this is not your house. You don't pay the fucking mortgage here. Like, bitch. What the fuck? I don't understand. Like, don't be sitting up here just getting mad because I have people in my house. Like I said, and I hope he sees this video because he knows I have a YouTube channel, and I think he subscribed to my channel. So like, I hope you're watching this video. And if you're watching this video, I'm just letting you know, like, I'm not even cheating on you, and you can see all my subscribers. They can tell you that I'm not. Well, they probably wouldn't know, but I mean, I'm not cheating on you. So like, you need to get your shit together, because if you don't, I'm gonna have to find me somebody else to deal with, because I can't deal with your motherfucking ass. But yeah, so anyways, like, y'all leave me comments in the comment section and let me know, do y'all experience shit like that? Like, who does your lover get mad over some silly ass shit like that? Especially if y'all not even staying together. Like, okay, I be going over his house and he be having plenty of people over his house that I don't even know, and I be getting mad. So how the fuck you gonna get mad about me having people at my house? Like, really, bitch? I'm over it. But anyways, I love you guys. This is today's vlog topic. Leave your comments below, rate, subscribe, and thumbs up this video. I will see you bitches in the next video. I love you. Bye.